How to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can easily recover your old WhatsApp account without SIM. So first thing you want to do is simply head over to your WhatsApp, and inside your WhatsApp click on settings by clicking on that button over there. And what you can do is when you open your WhatsApp, simply head over to this three dot icon and just click on settings. And once you're inside your settings, just head over to your help section, and from over here simply click on help center, and you can also click on contact us option. And from over here what you need to do is simply describe your problem to the customer support team of the WhatsApp. So once you describe your following issue, simply click on next from over here, and you will be redirected to this page. And as you can see, it will ask any of the reasons behind your restoration of your account. So simply select one, simply click on any one of the issue, and just click on send my question to WhatsApp support, just like this, and wait for some time. And once it has been sent, it will see that you will be receiving this message where it says, we are reviewing your issue and will respond as soon as possible. Answers from AI can be checked in the help center. Yeah, you can also check their answers from the AI also. And once you do that, you just have to follow the on-screen instruction, just like this. You can see it has already given me a lot of instruction. If my phone was stolen or lost, so I will have to verify with my email with it by resetting the two-step verification method. You will also have to follow the on-screen instructions, just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.